In the small town of Elmsworth there were two bakers, Mr. Thomas and his neighbor, Mrs. Ada. Both had run successful bakeries for decades, crafting pastries the old-fashioned way. One day, a new bakery opened. It used artificial intelligence-powered ovens that perfected baking temperatures and robotic arms that decorated cakes with flawless precision. Customers swarmed to the new place, drawn by speed, consistency, and creative designs generated by artificial intelligence. Mr. Thomas scoffed at the change. "Machines can't replace tradition," he muttered, refusing to learn anything new. Mrs. Ada, however, took a different approach. She enrolled in online courses about artificial intelligence in small businesses. Soon, she introduced a smart inventory system, personalized recipe suggestions based on customer data, and even let customers design their cakes using an artificial intelligence interface. Her bakery thrived, blending tradition with technology. Mr. Thomas, stuck in the past, eventually closed shop. As artificial intelligence advances, those who grow with it survive and thrive. In a world rapidly changing, knowledge is no longer optional, it's the key to staying relevant.